Okay, decomposition reactions. So this is where you have one reactant and it breaks down into its components. So if we're looking at example 3, write a balanced chemical equation for lithium nitride decomposing on heating. Okay, so I'm going to write this out in words first. Lithium nitride is decomposing when you heat it. What two elements will it decompose into? Lithium and nitrogen. Okay, now what we have to do is write the chemical formula. So lithium nitride is Li plus 1 and N minus 3. We cross the charges, we get Li 3N, which looks like this. And then the symbol for lithium is Li. Nitrogen is highlighted on the periodic table because it's a diatomic element, so that means you have to write N2. Now we're going to balance things. Since I have 2 nitrogen on the right-hand side, I need to put a 2 in front of the reactant Li3N. 2 times 3 is 6 lithium, so you need to put a 6 here. And then you're done. That's your first decomposition reaction. The fourth example is writing a balanced chemical equation for magnesium oxide decomposing on heating. So I'm going to write this out in words first. Magnesium oxide with an arrow and a triangle above it. What two elements will be formed when magnesium oxide decomposes? Magnesium and oxygen. So we're going to write magnesium plus oxygen. Let's write the formulas. The formula for magnesium oxide is Mg plus 2, O minus 2. The numbers and the charges cancel. You get MgO. The symbol for magnesium is Mg. The symbol for oxygen is O2 because oxygen is highlighted on the periodic table, which means it's a diatomic element. So it looks something like this. So we're going to put a 2 in front of MgO. And then that 2 gets distributed to the Mg, so I have to put a 2 in front of the Mg on the right-hand side. And then we're going to put a 1 in front of O2, so it's 2, 2, 1. And you're done. On the worksheet for decomposition reactions, what I've given you is the chemical formulas of the reactant. You have to predict what the products are. I suggest you do that by actually writing out the chemical name of the compound that I gave you, and then write out in words the products, and then convert that into formulas and balance it. That is the way that works, and most students don't want to do that because they think it just takes extra time and they just want to be lazy and just try and do it without that. But trust me, if you want to get a really good grade on this worksheet, that's how you do it because it works every single time. Okay?